Hi there. So welcome to the second video in a series on the token economy. And if you remember in the first video, we introduced the idea that there are three types of actor that can be buying and selling in our marketplace. It could be you or me, an individual. It could be a company, a business, or it could be a thing like an autonomous car. And these actors will have three types of token in their wallet or front-end application that they can use for buying and selling in these decentralized marketplaces. A token to denote ownership, a token about identity, and a token of value for settlement or for access to a network or to decentralize incentives. Now, what's going to be critical as we buy and sell in our marketplace is the provenance. What is it that I am buying? And what is the history of who has done what and when in the history of this asset? Now, the first question which you may ask yourself around this trust framework for provenance is, well, why can't I do this on a central database? Why do I need to do this on a blockchain? And of course, the answer is that we're moving into a world where data has ever more value, a world of digital assets. So if there is no one central intermediary that the participants in the marketplace, so all the businesses involved in that buying and selling of the asset throughout its provenance, do not all trust in one central intermediary to be the central player, the central server, the central administrator in that marketplace, then you need to decentralize. So why might they not trust them? Well, let's look at a couple of examples. Let's say you're a small logistics service provider in the distribution of new cars, wanting to provide last mile services to your customers. Now, you may well be forced by the industry to put that data onto a control tower, a third-party central intermediary, to fix that problem for the end customer and for the industry. But in so doing, you have commoditized your business. You've given away that data rather than having the ability to monetize that data yourself. This is core to your business. So it's far better for you to collaborate with the players in that same supply chain in a decentralized fashion where you maintain ownership and governance of your data so you can monetize it to fix that same problem of last mile visibility of your end customer. Another example would be the airline industry, where this is going back now, where the central intermediary handling the buying and selling of tickets became more valuable than the airlines themselves. So you want to decentralize the provenance trust framework when the data is valuable and you want to retain ownership of that data so you can monetize it yourself in this marketplace of buyers and sellers of data. Well, I hope that made sense. And I look forward to talking to you in the third of these videos when we'll look at the problem behind the identity trust framework that solves. So I hope you found that useful, and I'll end the meeting here.